make my getaway. St. Louis woman with her diamond ring drags that man around by her apron string. If it wasn't for powder and for store-bought air, that man of mine, he wouldn't have gone nowhere, nowhere. Got the St. Louis blues, blue as I can be. That man's got a heart like a rocket in the sea, or else he wouldn't have gone so far from me. I love that man like a schoolboy loves his pie, like an old Kentucky colonel loves his rock and rye. And I love that man until the day I die. Mississippi River, long, deep and wide, I gotta find my sweet man on the other side. Get me back to St. Louis, get me back to St. Louis, get me back to St. Louis. I'll lose those mean old blues. Oh, baby, you driving me crazy. What did I do? What did I do? My tears for you make everything hazy, cloud my skies of blue. True were the friends who were near me to cheer me, believe me, they knew. You were the one who would hurt me and desert me when I needed you. Oh, can't you see you're driving me crazy? What did I do? What did I do to you? Oh, baby, you're driving me crazy. Oh, tell me, baby, what did I do to you? Swing it, boys, swing it. My tears for you makes everything easy. Oh, you just drive my Johnson, don't play them blues so sad. Oh, please, Mr. Johnson, don't play them blues so sad. Because night before last, I lost the best man I ever had. Send me, Mr. Johnson, send my lovesick soul. Oh, send me, Mr. Johnson, send my lovesick soul. Oh, send me tonight if you never send me no more.